Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Creating engaging videos is harder than ever. There's so much content out there that if your video doesn't grab attention in the first few seconds, people just scroll past without a second thought. That's why whiteboard animations have become such a powerful tool because they're simple and can explain even complex ideas in a way that keeps viewers hooked from start to finish. But here's the problem. Finding the right whiteboard animation software can be frustrating. Some platforms are so complicated that you spend more time learning the tool than actually creating videos. Others are easy to use, but they limit your creativity with outdated designs and a lack of modern features. And when you're using videos to market your business or sell products, you simply can't afford to waste time or money on the wrong tool. So, in this video, I'm going to save you that headache. I will compare two popular options, Videoscribe and InstaDoodle, and I'll break down exactly how they stack up when it comes to ease of use, creative assets, speed, and overall value. And by the end, you'll know which one is truly worth your investment and will help you create videos that not only look professional, but also bring real results. All right, let's start with the Videoscribe. It's been around for years and has built a solid reputation in the whiteboard animation world. One of its biggest strengths is that it's designed to make animation accessible to beginners. You don't need to be a designer or a tech wizard to get started. Its drag-and-drop interface lets you pick images, add text, choose a hand style, and watch the animation unfold like magic. Videoscribe also comes with a decent built-in library of images, icons, and background music. This means you can create a basic whiteboard video without hunting for extra assets online. The hand-drawing animation is smooth and realistic, which adds that personal touch viewers love. However, here's where the cracks start to show. While the software is easy to use, but the interface feels a bit outdated compared to newer tools on the market. The image library, although big, can start to feel repetitive if you're producing videos regularly. Rendering times for high-quality videos can be slow, and customization options are somewhat limited, especially if you want to mix in modern animation styles beyond classic black and white doodles. So, Videoscribe gets the job done for classic doodle videos, but if you want something faster, more versatile, and built for today's content standards, then the next tool will blow you away, okay? Now let's talk about InstaDoodle, and this is where things start getting exciting. InstaDoodle takes everything people love about whiteboard animations and pushes it to a whole new level. From the moment you open it, you can tell it's built with modern creators in mind. The interface is clean, intuitive, and lightning fast, so you can start creating without spending hours learning how the software works. One of the biggest standouts is its massive library of assets. You're not just limited to basic black and white doodles. InstaDoodle gives you colorful doodle characters, 2D scenes, icons, backgrounds, and even explainer-style animations. This means you can mix and match styles, giving your videos a fresh, modern look that instantly stands out from the typical whiteboard content flooding social media. Then customization is another area where InstaDoodle dominates. You can control animation speed, swap out different hand styles, add zoom and pan effects, and even blend doodle scenes with more advanced motion graphics. The library is organized so well that you can find what you need in seconds, and the rendering speed is noticeably faster compared to many competitors. Now here's the real kicker. InstaDoodle gives you all these features without feeling overwhelming. It's perfect for beginners who want quick results, but also powerful enough for experienced creators who want total creative control. So, if you're looking for a tool that's modern, flexible, and capable of producing videos that actually grab attention in today's crowded market, InstaDoodle easily comes out on top. So, if you want to create stunning, attention-grabbing whiteboard videos without the hassle, give InstaDoodle a try today. I'll leave the link below so you can get started right now, okay? Now, I know what you might be thinking. Both Videoscribe and InstaDoodle sound great on paper, so which one should you actually choose? The truth is, both can create whiteboard-style videos, but the experience and results you get from each are completely different. I've tested them side by side, and while Videoscribe has been around longer, InstaDoodle brings a fresh, modern approach that solves a lot of the frustrations people have with older software. Let's go through a few areas so you can see what I mean. First, discuss the ease of use. Videoscribe is friendly for beginners, but it does feel like you're working with software from a few years ago. The navigation is slower, and you sometimes have to click through multiple menus just to get something done. On the other hand, InstaDoodle feels instantly intuitive. The layout is clean, everything is easy to find, and you can go from idea to finished animation without feeling bogged down. If you're someone who values speed and simplicity, InstaDoodle just makes the process more enjoyable. Then let's discuss the creative assets and variety. Videoscribe comes with a respectable library of doodles, but they mostly stick to the traditional black and white style. That can work fine for some projects, but it also means your videos might start to look the same over time. But InstaDoodle completely changes the game here. You get colorful doodle characters, pre-made animated scenes, backgrounds, icons, and even more advanced elements that blend doodle with explainer-style graphics. This variety allows you to create videos that feel fresh and unique, even if you're producing content every week, okay? Now let's discuss about speed and performance. One of the biggest pain points with some animation tools is how long they take to render. Videoscribe, especially for high-quality outputs, can be slow, which adds up if you're producing videos regularly. But on the other hand, InstaDoodle's rendering speed is noticeably faster, and the asset library is so well organized that you don't waste time hunting for the perfect graphic. This means you can create more videos in less time. And that's a big win if you have deadlines or want to keep a steady content flow. Then let's discuss about customization and features. So Videoscribe gives you the basics, means you can change hand styles, adjust the drawing speed, and add some effects. But InstaDoodle takes customization much further. You can control camera zooms and pans, fine-tune animation pacing, layer elements for dynamic scenes, and even mix doodle animations with other modern motion styles. This level of creative control means you're not stuck with cookie-cutter videos. You can truly make them your own, okay? Now that we've looked at how both tools perform in terms of features, customization, and creativity, the next big question is, how much is all this going to cost you? Because let's be honest, the best tool in the world doesn't matter if it completely blows your budget. But at the same time, going for the cheapest option without thinking about the value you get can cost you more in the long run. So let's break it down and see which one actually gives you the better deal. Let's start with Videoscribe. Videoscribe offers 3 plans: Lite, Core, and Max. The Lite plan costs $22 per month and is aimed at individuals. While it's the most affordable tier, it has some notable limits like only 5 video downloads per month, a maximum video length of 5 minutes, and browser-only access. You do get 9,000 images and icons, but this is a fraction of what's available in the higher plans. Then the Core plan is $33 per month and is designed for small businesses or those producing more videos. This plan bumps you up to 30 video downloads per month, allows up to 10-minute videos, and gives you access to both browser and desktop versions. You also get 5 million images, plus features like preview links and training bundles. Then the Max plan comes in at $41 per month and is targeted at creators who want complete control or reseller rights. This plan removes download limits entirely and allows videos up to 20 minutes, lets you upload custom fonts, and includes everything from the Core plan. It's worth noting that over time, these monthly fees add up, so you'll be paying that as long as you want to keep using the tool, okay? Now, let's discuss the InstaDoodle pricing. InstaDoodle keeps things incredibly simple. You pay a one-time fee of $37 and get lifetime access. That means no monthly bills, no yearly renewals, and no restrictions on usage. For that single payment, you get unlimited video creation, over 1,000 doodle elements, the Doodle AI engine, 150 AI credits, full HD exports, and free updates with ongoing support. Everything is included right from the start, so you're not constantly being upsold or forced to buy add-ons just to get the features you need, okay? Now, when you compare these two pricing models side by side, the difference is huge. With Videoscribe, even on the cheapest plan, you're working with limits, and the longer you use it, the more you'll spend. But with InstaDoodle, you pay less than the cost of 2 months of Videoscribe Lite plan and never have to pay again. So, if you're someone who plans to create videos regularly, the long-term savings with InstaDoodle are massive. Plus, you're getting modern features, speed, and flexibility without the ongoing subscription drain. So, if you want to check out InstaDoodle for yourself, I've added the official website link in the description below, okay? Now, you might be wondering, what if InstaDoodle doesn't work out for me? Well, don't worry. The creators have already thought of that, and they've made this decision completely risk-free for you. InstaDoodle comes with a 100% risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try the software, create as many videos as you like, and if for any reason you're not satisfied, you'll get a full refund, and you can even keep all the videos you created during the trial period. This makes InstaDoodle a completely safe investment for anyone who wants to give it a try. All right? Now that we've looked at the pricing, let's take a step back and weigh the overall strengths and weaknesses of both tools. Pricing is important, but it's not the only factor to consider when investing in a video creation platform. The real question is, how do these tools actually perform in terms of usability, creativity, and results? So, to make it clear, I'll break down the pros and cons of each tools. This way, you'll get a complete side-by-side view and can decide which tool fits your needs best. Okay? Let's start with Videoscribe. Here, its pros. First, it's easy to use with a beginner-friendly interface. Then it comes with pre-made templates and a built-in image library. Then it works offline after installation. And it's useful for teachers, trainers, and explainer videos. Now discuss the cons. It has limited customization options for advanced users. Then it has outdated graphics and image styles. Then it's slower rendering and export times. And its customer support is often slow to respond. Okay? So that was Videoscribe. As you can see, it has its strengths, but also comes with some limitations that may not suit everyone. Now let's move on to InstaDoodle, the newer tool that's been making a lot of buzz recently. Unlike Videoscribe, InstaDoodle brings in some fresh features and improvements that many users feel are missing in traditional doodle software. So, to give you a clear idea, let's go through the pros and cons of InstaDoodle one by one. Let's start with pros. First, it's very easy to use even for beginners. Then it has wide range of doodle assets and ready-made templates. Then it has faster rendering compared to Videoscribe and many other tools. Then it's cloud-based, so no installation needed. Then it provided regular updates with new features. Then it's affordable pricing compared to other doodle software. Then it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's risk-free to try. And last, it has helpful customer support team for quick assistance. Okay? Now, let's discuss the cons. It requires stable internet connection since it's cloud-based. Okay? So, after exploring everything that both these tools has to offer, my honest recommendation is simple. If you want a powerful, easy-to-use whiteboard animation tool that doesn't drain your wallet, InstaDoodle is the best choice. Unlike other software where you need to deal with complex setups, expensive monthly fees, or limited features, InstaDoodle brings all the important tools together in one place. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who has already tried video making before, this platform gives you the freedom to create videos that actually look professional. On top of that, the pricing is incredibly reasonable compared to its competitors. And with the money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose by giving it a try. You can test it out for yourself, risk-free, and see just how much easier your video creation process becomes. So here's what I suggest. Don't wait around. Every day you delay, you're missing the opportunity to engage your audience with high-quality videos that could boost your brand, your sales, or even your personal projects. Click the link I've added below in the description, get the InstaDoodle, and start creating amazing whiteboard videos today. And trust me, you'll thank yourself later for taking action right now. Okay? So, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like because it really motivates me to create more in-depth reviews for you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss future videos on the best tools, tips, and strategies for growing your online business. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.